Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO, has sought to allay fears regarding COVID-19 vaccines by noting that the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, has no problem with the current vaccines being made available worldwide. But what is in place to protect athletes for any possible anti-doping violations caused from the vaccines? Jermaine Brown now reports.
Jamaican sportsmen and women have expressed reservations about the COVID-19 vaccine. Among them, 2015 World Championship shot put bronze medalist Odain Richards, who had some searching questions about the vaccines when TVJ Sports spoke with him in February, including whether they could contain banned substances.
Well, currently, I'm still on the fence. There's still a lot more to be learned from the vaccinations, the different types. As I understand, there are many. What are the implications of the vaccine? Will there be any anti-doping considerations taken? Will it be safe, for athletes to perform? We must take the pandemic seriously, but we must also take life after track seriously.
But Chairman of the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO, Alexander Williams, has sought to allay those fears by, among other things, noting that they have begun making WADA's position on the COVID-19 vaccines known to athletes.
WADA's position is that they don't see any issue or problem with any of the vaccines that are now available worldwide. They have a memorandum of understanding with various pharmaceutical companies, including Pfizer, as well as that industry's representative body, which is the International Federation of Pharmaceutical Manufacturers and Associations. And what they're saying is that they continue to work along with those bodies.
But just how accurate is WADA's assessment of the vaccines? To this end, Williams notes that contingencies are in place should any of the vaccines result in anti-doping rule violations in the future.
They stress that the health of the athletes is the primary concern of WADA, so that if an athlete has to take a vaccine and it turns out that the vaccine may be quote-unquote problematic, then the relevant anti-doping organization, which includes JADCO, would have to forego or adjust its results management process. That is how it would proceed with an anti-doping rule violation.
Williams has also stressed that JADCO through WADA would continue to monitor developments regarding COVID-19 and the vaccines. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.